Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change home screen grid in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to home screen. Go to home screen and here select home screen grid, and by default it is set to 4x6. Okay, that means 4 of you here see 4. Okay, 4 column and 6 rows. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows. Okay, 4 column and 6 rows, that is called 4x6. Okay, if you choose 4x5, uh, only 5 rows will be available. Okay, 4 column and 5 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 rows and 4 column, 1 2 3 4. Okay, similarly if you select 5 cross 5 means 5 column and 5 rows, and 5 cross 6 means 5 rows and 5 column and 6 rows, and click on done and see changes. Okay, so in this way you can see here 6 rows are available, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 4 column, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so in this way you can easily set a desired home screen grid. Okay, suppose if you would like to go to the default home screen grid, you have to keep in the second option 4x6. Okay, click on done and see the changes. This is called 4x6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 rows and 4 column available. Okay, so in this way you can easily change home screen grid in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.